CSAE Conference, I believe, is one of the best conference in development economies, particularly for those who are focusing on Africa, right? Like myself. I said that because the topic coverage is quite diverse, and we also have different researchers at different level. You have early career researchers like myself, more senior ones, which really allows spillover of knowledge and builds network between each other. Yeah.
I have always been impressed by the quality of the research output produced by my other peers and professors who have happened to be involved in CSAE research in the past. And I said to myself, look, if you are an aspiring development economist who wants to do some serious research that is relevant to the African continent, then you would want to be involved or take part in the CSAE conference.
The funding is just not for the conference. It makes sure that you prepared for the conference. So we had a pre-conference workshop. We had discussions where we presented our preliminary papers, and we got I personally got useful feedback. I had a discussion after the session with Stefan, and it was wonderful because you got a lot of it. We were a lot in one venue, and then there were also post-presentation workshops on macro and microeconomics, and I attended the macro one. It was very useful. We had lectures from experts in the field, so it was a wonderful preparatory experience for conference in Oxford.
Yeah, the funding is very important for young scholars or junior scholars coming from that of African countries because local institutions, they don't have the capacity to fund for scholars or academic staffs to participate in such kind of big conferences. Therefore, the funding from the CSA is a very great opportunity for people like me, to participate in such kind of conference or platform.
The funding has been very important to me because if it were not for the funding, I wouldn't have been here. I know it's very difficult to get funding from Africa to here, and definitely for my universities it would be very difficult for me to get that funding. So I'm really grateful for the funding, which enabled me to come here and to present my work and to meet a lot of people and networking with others. And yeah, it's a great opportunity for me. I'm really grateful for that. Yeah.